LinkedIn is a business-oriented social platform, and so the content you publish there should position your organization as an industry leader. Your organization's LinkedIn page is a good place to share industry insights and company-specific news. It's important to publish posts on your LinkedIn page regularly. According to LinkedIn, organizations that post at least monthly generally gain followers 6 times faster than those that don't. We recommend posting content daily, either in the early morning, lunchtime, or the early evening, the 3 times LinkedIn says its users are most active. Shorter copy performs best, but if you need to write a longer post, make it easier to digest by using bullet points or paragraph breaks. One engagement tactic is to name the audience you're trying to reach right in the copy of your posts. For example, "Hey travel agents, here's what you should know about booking European vacations." As with other platforms, posts with visual media get more engagement. You can upload SlideShare, PowerPoint, or PDF files to support your posts. Keep your content concise by sharing interesting stats, key points, and quotes, instead of dense academic content. We also recommend creating social cards with a third-party app. These are graphic images designed for LinkedIn with relevant tips and tricks for your audience. A social card should provide value on first glance, without your audience needing to dig deeper. For example, Athene Suites might share a graphic with a tip about the best times to book a vacation. When posting video to LinkedIn, either upload it directly or link to a video hosted elsewhere. One benefit of uploading a video directly to LinkedIn is that you'll have access to video analytics. Videos hosted on LinkedIn also get prioritized by LinkedIn's algorithm over those hosted externally. That said, if your video is longer than 10 minutes, you'll need to host it externally. You've taken the time to craft a quality post for your organization's page. Now, be sure it reaches the right audience with LinkedIn's organic targeting tool. Select Targeted Audience, and then fill in the relevant search fields. Always include your organization's information in your targeted audience search, so the post reaches your employees. They're your best brand advocates and will kickstart engagement on the content you post. Now let's head over to LinkedIn's Content Suggestion tool. With this feature, you can find exciting new content to share and also figure out what's resonating with your target audience. Refine your search by industry, location, job function, and seniority. If the results you're getting are too broad, refine your search further by adding topics. Review the results by topic and engagement rate. This list is a good source of inspiration for content you might create yourself in the future. Once you find a valuable article, click Share and draft a post that speaks directly to your audience's interests. Don't forget to include hashtags to aid in discoverability. Brand mentions are another way to source user-generated content on LinkedIn. Page admins will receive a notification when other users mention their page in a post. Then, they can join the conversation and reshare it from a desktop or from the LinkedIn app, ensuring no important mentions are missed. With a LinkedIn page, you'll have access to valuable page analytics, so you can measure the impact your content has with your target audience. Click to view the stats for individual posts on your page, or navigate to Analytics for more in-depth page insights. From the Analytics tab, you can monitor the activity and professional traits of your audience, evaluate the effectiveness of your posts, and track your page performance using a custom date range.